TIL-TAK Light Waterproof Underdeck Drainage System. Transform an idle outdoor space into a useful and enjoyable platform for storage, entertaining, playing, relaxing, and dining. Double the benefits by extending your outdoor living space under the deck in shelter of all weather conditions. With TIL-TAK Light Underdeck Drainage System, the opportunities are all yours. General information. There are two ways of installing the system: new decks and retrofitting. In this video, you can see both methods. Read all instructions completely before installing. Preparation. Measure the length of the joist and add 6 inches. Roll out the canvas and cut all the lengths according to their measurements. Shape a tongue in the front end of the canvas. It will hang downwards and function as a downspout into the gutter. On the other end of the canvas, trim off about 2 inches of the cord on each side. New construction or replacing deck boards. Slide the PVC tracks onto each side of the canvas while it is still on ground level. Make sure that the print on the canvas is facing up. Make a mark at the very top of the joist towards the wall. Make an additional mark at the other end of the joists, a minimum of 3.5 inches from the bottom. Snap a chalk line between the 2 points. Minimum drop, 1/2 inch per 4 feet. Install the PVC tracks with the canvas to the joists along the chalk line. Fold the trimmed end up and staple to the ledger board. Roll out TIL-TAK bitumen felt on all the joists. Note, the inside of the roll must face down. Also use TIL-TAK bitumen felt on top of the rim joist to leave it dry underneath. Shape a bitumen felt as illustrated against the wall on top of the wall ledger to maintain a dry transition. Reinforced bitumen felt is commonly used as damp course on brick and block walls. Stretching the canvas is needed. Attach a screw through the track under the canvas on each side close to the wall ledger. Repeat this procedure until all spaces between joists are covered. Stretch the canvas on each side on the outer end and place a screw in the same manner to hold it nice and stretched. Use some force. The canvas can be stretched about 1 inch per 10 feet. The tongues will function as downspouts, leading water into the gutter. Start installing the deck boards from the wall, working your way outwards. Leave a space of 2 deck boards to make a hatch for inspection and cleaning of debris. Retrofitting underneath existing decks. Clean the joists properly using a pressure washer for the sealant to adhere. All dirt must be removed before the TIL-TAK caulk is applied. Note, when using TIL-TAK caulk, the work needs to be carried out at temperatures above 0 degrees centigrade. As with new construction, draw a straight line from inside to outside with a minimum drop of 1/2 inch per 4 feet. Cut the nozzle as shown. Opening should be approximately 1/3 inch. Apply the TIL-TAK caulk below the line along the joist and press the PVC tracks along the line. The TIL-TAK caulk must appear on all sides of the PVC tracks. Fasten the tracks with TIL-TAK light screws every 8 inches, maximum 1 inch from each end of the track. Apply caulk above the groove of each joint PVC track. Then smooth the caulk with your finger. Attach the gliding assistant in front of the tracks before entering the canvas. Pull the cords of the canvas into the tracks. The gliding assistant will guide the canvas with ease. Make sure that the print on the canvas is facing up. Stretching the canvas is needed. Attach a screw through the track and canvas rope on each side close to the wall ledger. Stretch the canvas. Use some force. It can be stretched approximately 1 inch per 10 feet. Attach screws in front to lock the TIL-TAK canvas in position. We recommend removing 2 deck boards for dry transition and cleaning of debris. Utilizing the space under the deck. If the area under the deck is intended for enclosed spaces, like conservatory or storage room, insulating underneath the joists is necessary. Polyiso insulation rigid foam boards are the only recommended insulation. These boards are moisture and fire resistant and can be covered by soffit boards. Diagonal bracing or sway brace. Bracing the frame is highly recommended to minimize and even eliminate sway. Brackets ready-made for this intent is recommended. Other means are also possible based on accessibility. TIL-TAK Underdeck drainage system is developed and produced in Norway and has proven reliability in harsh Nordic weather conditions for over 15 years.